Hi, welcome back to English for Adults. Before we go on, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In this video, you will learn how to form and use the past perfect continuous tense. For the past perfect simple tense, please watch this video. For the present perfect continuous tense, please watch this video. Affirmative. How you form it is in the name. The auxiliary verb is have, which is conjugated in the past tense. Then for the perfect tense, use the past participle form of the verb be. Last, you add the continuous form of the main verb. I had been working out at the gym for 3 hours. You had been working out at the gym for 3 hours. He had been working out at the gym for 3 hours. We had been working out at the gym for 3 hours. You had been working out at the gym for 3 hours. They had been working out at the gym for 3 hours. Only the subject changes. Have doesn't change in the past tense. You can contract the subject with had. I'd been working out at the gym for 3 hours. Negatives. Form negative sentences with the past tense of the verb have in the negative. You either just put not after had, or you can contract them. Remember that in official documents, you shouldn't use contractions. I hadn't been working out at the gym for 3 hours. Interrogative. Form questions with had as well. Had you been working out at the gym for 3 hours? Use. You use the past perfect continuous tense to emphasize that it continuously happened in the past before an event. She worked out at the gym for 3 hours. Then she went home. She had been working out at the gym for 3 hours when she went home. How long is the most common question used with this tense. How long had she been working out when she went home? She had been working out for 3 hours. I hope you learned from this video. If you have any questions, please ask them in the comment section below. Thank you for watching this video. Please check out other parts of the series as well as they become available. Please consider becoming my patron for as little as €3 a month.